Hey, it's your favorite roofer in New Orleans, actually on the West Bank. Beautiful new construction, a lot of architecture. There's going to be a combination of brick that you can see sitting here and stucco. We're going to have some standing seam metal on the back. Right over midway up above the front door will be standing seam. And then as you can see at the very top, that's called the parapet wall. So there'll be stucco banding above the brick. So we have to do special waterproofing up there. And you can see the little box through the wall there because water gets trapped, and we'll use what's called a scupper drain. So the water extends out, and there'll be a gutter collection box up there that catches that water. We didn't do all the edges with the shingles because the brick guys are going to come and walk all over that as they put the brick up the walls, and they basically damage the shingles, and then we have to replace them. It just costs more money. So we did most of the roof, did everything we can that made good sense, and we'll come back and wrap this up once the walls get finished with the brick and the stucco. Getting your favorite roofer on the West Bank, New Orleans. Until next time.